Hello everyone, good afternoon. So I'm going to do a short lesson on how to write a direct variation equation given, how to write an equation and then graph the equation. So let's look at it. Okay, so you're given a word problem and they want you to write a direct variation equation. Okay, so what does that exactly mean? First of all, so the direct variation equation is in the form y equals mx. So it's almost slope-intercept, but it's not because we don't have a b. All right, we don't have an initial amount. Okay, so let's read the problem. Kate purchased 2.5 pounds of cheese for $10.50. Her mother purchased 3 pounds of the same cheese for $12.60. The cost of cheese varies directly with the number of pounds purchased. That sentence is very important. Write a direct variation equation and solve it for 5 pounds. Then draft the equation. Well, I have 3 steps right here because I taught my students 3 steps to writing a direct variation equation. And here are my 3 steps. When writing a direct variation equation, you find m. Well, you see what m is equal to up here. All kinds of things. M is equal to slope, which I have lessons on. M is equal to y over x. When you have a direct variation equation, which is what we have, it's equal to rate of change, it's equal to the unit rate, which means unit rate tells us how many of the y variable you have per one of the. Let me fix this. Not gonna start over here. All right, let's see if it can stay up now. Hopefully. Okay. So, try this again. So the first thing that we're going to do is find m. Okay, we're going to use our y divided by x. So m equals y divided by x. But the sentence I highlighted right here, the cost of cheese varies directly with the number of pounds, is very important. Okay, because if I look right here, y varies directly with x. Y comes in front of varies directly and x comes after. That's important to know which is which. So if I look at this sentence, the cost comes before the word varies directly. So this is your y. The number of pounds comes after the word varies directly. So this is your x. So we can pick from either of these values they gave us. We'll just use Katie's. Katie purchased 2.5 pounds of cheese. So that's your x value because the number of pounds is your x value for $10.50. That's your y value because cost is your y value. So we're going to do 10.5 or 10.50 divided by my 3 pounds of cheese. That's going to give me my unit rate to tell me how much it is per 1 pound of cheese. And that comes out to be $3.50. Now, I take that second step and I plug m into y equals mx, but leaving y and x as variables. This is just going to give me my general equation so that I can solve this for any amount of pounds of cheese. Alright, and that's part of your answer, so we box that in. Now, the last one asks us specifically for 5 pounds of cheese, so that's the x value. They gave us the x and they want us to find the cost. They want us to find the y. So y equals $3.50 times my 5 pounds of cheese. So if I do $3.50 times 5, I get my $17.50. And box that in. Now, they want us to graph this equation. We could make a table if needed, but we know that one box is $3.50. Okay, that's what we found out. That is $3.50, or not per box, I'm sorry, per pound. And so, and they also told us, they also gave us two points up here. Okay, they said 2.5 pounds of cheese is $10.50. So let's go to 2.5 down here on my graph, which is between 2 and 3, and go up to $10.50, about right here, and put a point. They told us her mama bought 3 pounds of the same cheese for $12.60. So we go up to about $12.60 and put a point. Now, also think about where your starting point would be. If you don't buy any cheese, you don't pay anything. So 0 pounds of cheese for $0. And let's just fill in some points. We know that per pound, you're gonna have your 350. So it's about right here. And that's gonna be plenty of points to go ahead and connect lines, because you really only, or connect points, you really only need 2 points for your graph. And that is all about direct variation equation. My students struggle with direct variation equations. So if you struggle with direct variation equation, another way to say this, if you don't really know what I'm talking about, your teachers may refer to it as a proportional relationship, equations for a proportional relationship. That's what this would be as well, because basically you don't have a starting amount. You just have that amount that's reoccurring over and over, that amount per pound. Okay? So if you are having trouble with direct variation, watch this video, pause it, rewind it, whatever you need to do. Now go out there, get some fresh air, get in a good run, get in a good workout, come back, put your feet up in your recliner, eat your Cheerios, your M&Ms, your Diet Mountain Dew, whatever your snack is, do some math and have fun while doing it.